Hey guys, what's up? It's Nicole Elise, and today I'm going to be showing you the new Bite Beauty Daycation whipped blushes. They have a really beautiful mousse-like texture that blends into the skin seamlessly, and it's just a really creamy formula. The Daycation blushes are obviously a clean product because Bite Beauty's makeup is all clean. The best part is that they have a little bit of a dewy finish because of the papaya extract, which makes it look really glowy. So not only is it a really pretty flush of color, it's also a really beautiful finish. This blush can be applied with your sponge or brush, but personally for me, I feel like the warmth of your fingertips really help to melt the product into the skin. I always love it whenever blushes are highly pigmented. You can go in really lightly and build up to the color payoff that you're looking for. I love the way that this just creates a really pretty watercolor diffused look. So I'm gonna apply some to my eyelids because I feel like it creates a really beautiful like monochromatic look. I absolutely love these Daycation blushes. I cannot get enough of them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the blushes as much as I do. Bye!